It's amazing how one gentle swipe can change the entire painting. Watch this. Welcome back to the Art of Yaomi. Today I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using a white base with green and gold layered on top. I will mix a little cell activator into part of my white paint, and that's what's supposed to bring the swipe to life. I start by pouring a white base across the canvas, then I add green and gold on one side and repeat the same placement on the other side. White brings clarity and softness to the painting. Green adds balance and a grounded, calming energy, and gold represents light and warmth, giving the piece a touch of elegance even when it fades into the flow. I placed my colors across the canvas, then dipped a napkin in water, squeezed it out, and used it gently to drag the white activator across the surface. Just a light swipe, no pressure, letting the paint rise and react on its own. The swipe technique always reminds me to slow down. You don't need a big movement to create something dramatic. Sometimes a simple glide can open up a whole new design. Cells form because the white activator is thinner than the colors underneath. As it moves, the heavier pigments push through, creating a natural lacing and patterns without forcing anything. Using a damp napkin gives you a softer swipe edge, and it prevents the white from dragging too much paint. It's perfect for beginners and for creating delicate lacing. And this is where the magic begins, the moment the cells begin to bloom. Watching these colors rise feels like the painting is breathing. It's a reminder that creativity flows best when you let it unfold instead of trying to control every detail. After the swipe settled, I tilted the canvas slightly to stretch the cells and shape the movement. I used a torch lightly to open up the details and let the metallic shine. One thing I noticed with the pour is that the gold completely disappeared once I started the tilting process. The white really took over the canvas, which changed the whole balance of the painting. That's why I want to do this one again. Next time I'm placing the colors much closer to the center so they don't get swallowed. And I'm also switching up the color combination to make sure everything stays visible. Every pour teaches you something, and this one definitely showed me how powerful white can be in a swipe. And here it is, green and gold cells floating over a soft white base, full of movement and depth. And though I love this look, I can't wait to try this again with more colors next time. If you enjoyed this pour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which colors you want to see in the next swipe. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.